Hi, welcome to Sherman Medical Supplies. Today in this video we're going to be doing an in-depth demonstration on the Pride iGo portable travel scooter. The Pride iGo is a 3-wheel scooter with a 275-pound weight capacity. It's airline compliant, safe for airline travel, and is able to fold into a compact portable size, which we'll show in a little bit, for traveling like luggage. The scooter itself has a top speed of 4 miles per hour and it is fully adjustable, so you could lower it down if needed. And we're gonna go ahead and just dive into some of the various other features, as well as how to fold and collapse the unit. So if we go ahead and dive into the top console of our scooter, we're gonna have 2 keys. Once we turn it on, we're gonna have our mileage gauge, our 2 speed modes of slow and fast, horn, and our front LED lights. It's 3 small LED lights in the front. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into the folding of the Pride iGo. The first step in the folding process is going to be the yellow lever here in the backrest. And yellow is going to be a common theme in the folding process of the scooter. So we're going to pull that and the backrest is going to drop down and lock. Underneath the seat here, we're going to see another lever, which we're going to go ahead and pull up and drop our seat all the way down. And it's going to lock into place. Our next step, we're going to come here to the front tiller. We're going to see the one yellow lever here, which we're going to pull back and push down on our seat, and we want to push it all the way until we hear it click. And then our last step is going to be the yellow lever in the front here of the tiller, which we're going to hold, and this controls the front and back of the tiller. And we're going to reach down in the middle, grab this black lever and pull that up while simultaneously holding the yellow lever here, and it's going to bring the scooter to a close. Once we're in the close position here, there is one lock down here, which we're going to lift up, and this will lock the scooter shut so it doesn't open up on you. The scooter itself in this position is going to be close to about 65 pounds. What's really cool about the Pride iGo and is a unique feature is the way it's able to separate into 2 lighter weight pieces. So once we're fully folded like this, we're then able to lift these 2 yellow levers here on each side and lift and separate the front base from the rear base. So this drops our weight down to a 32-pound piece and then another 30-pound piece, making it a lot easier to manage and put in the car and also store into tighter places. When we're ready to put this back, it's super easy. We leave that piece as it is, and the front piece, we're gonna bring it up and over. It's gonna hook on each side. And then we're gonna push these yellow levers down. When folded, the Pride iGo can also be easily dollied around. If you're, say, in an airport or traveling around, you're able to just pull this yellow lever out here to adjust the tiller. Bring our tiller up, tilt it towards you, and now you're able to just roll around with the unit. Anytime you want to stop, the unit will just stand on its own just like this. And it will also be able to be pushed the other way if you needed to. I'm now going to show how to unfold the Pride iGo. So the first step in the unfolding process is to undo the lock down here. So we're going to push that down. We're then going to come up here and pull on the yellow lever in the front. Hold that black lever here and tilt the unit forward. And we're slowly bringing down our left hand while still holding our right hand. And then straighten out the tiller, let go of the yellow, and it's going to lock it. Then we'll come to the back here. Underneath the seat here, there's going to be that one yellow lever that we're going to pull up. Release it, make sure your seat locks in place. And then the yellow lever here, pull out, pull back, make sure your backrest locks in place. Then you come here to the front, pull this last and final yellow lever, and raise the tiller height all the way up. So diving into some of the other features, we do have some storage here underneath the seat, which is netted just in case we're trying to hold something tight into place. You can also remove that net if you did want to hold something a little taller that fits in here. You also do have some minor storage back here, which is usually good to store your charging cable, which unzips. We have our charging cable there, as well as another pocket here. This bag also does come off and remove if you did want to take it inside somewhere. The last and final thing is going to be the battery. When you are traveling on an airline, they are going to require to move the battery pack, which is right here. Your charging port for the scooter is going to be on the side over here, covered with a little rubber piece. But you can also, by pulling this tab here, remove your battery pack. and charge it directly from the battery here, which is usually better and more preferred and makes it a lot easier. On a full charge with this battery, you're gonna get about 9 miles of distance. It is airline safe for travel. We do also offer some other travel scooters, which may be better suited for your needs. We do offer the Solax Transformer 2, which is an automatic folding scooter if you're someone who struggles with being able to fold the scooter into its compact size. Or we do offer the Golden Carry-On if you're someone looking for a more rugged folding scooter, which is able to be a lot more stable and substantial when driving and has a lot better mileage compared to these other two options. This is a scooter that we keep here on display at our showroom located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. 91423 is our zip code. We also have information on the scooter on our website, www.shermanoaksmedical.com. Or for any questions regarding the scooter, please always feel free to call us at 818-981-9906. Thanks again.